Hello family, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are all doing great. In today's video I'm going to share with you how to individually crochet braids, step-by-step tutorial for beginners and very detailed if you are a beginner at this. If you are new here, welcome to my channel. I'm Ngugo Sharon. Have you subscribed to my channel though? If you haven't, I'll give you a few seconds to do so you can support me to create more videos. Did you subscribe? Thank you, and let's get straight to today's video. Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm going to start today's video by parting my hair. First, I'm going to divide my hair in half right here from the middle, and then I'm going to divide the first cornrow. As usual, I'm going to go in with my toothpick so that I can divide this a little neater. Now I'm going to go ahead and section it into tiny pieces, and then I'm going to comb the section out to get rid of the knots. And then I'll also go in with my brush here and brush it up. And then I'm now going to braid this section. So after a while, I'm done with one side of my hair. God, my hair has grown a lot. I'm going to go ahead and work on this other side, and then I'll be right back. So moving on, here is my hair. I'm done with the mini braids. So moving on, I'm going to go in with my carrot oil here. I'm going to apply this carrot oil on my scalp and on my hair. If you want to learn how to make long-lasting carrot oil, I already have 2 videos on my channel. I'll try to link one in the description box so you can go check it out. And then right here I have my braids. And then again, if you want to learn how to make these braids, I have a lot of braids tutorial on my channel and I have a playlist on it. I'm going to link how to make these long braids down in the description box on my cards, so you can go check it out. So for my braids, I'm going to apply some of my oil. I have this tiny little hole here. I have my crochet needle here. I'm going to pick one of the braids. I'm going to add my crochet needle to my hair here. And then now I'm going to go in with my braid. I'll add my braid, my crochet braid, to the crochet needle hook. I'm going to close the latch. And then I'm going to drag it through. Now I'm going to add in the end of my braid to the crochet needle hook again. Close the latch and then I'll drag it through the crochet braid hole. And then now I'm going to pull the rest of my braid to form a knot like this. Now I'm going to go ahead and add my needle here, crochet needle, to the braid, to the crochet braid, sorry. Okay, then I'll pop it from here. Now I'm going to add my natural hair braid to the crochet needle hook. I'm going to close the latch. Now I'm going to drag my natural hair through the braid to hide it and secure it. I'll add it in again and again to the needle until all my natural hair is well hidden. I'm closing the latch again and then I'll drag it through. Now all I'm going to do is to smoothen it so it can blend in with the braid. Now I'm going to go ahead and hide this, the rest that is remaining here. I'm going to go in with my crochet needle. I'll add my crochet needle to my natural hair. I'll add my braid to the latch, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through. And then now I'm going to go ahead and add the end of my crochet braid to my needle again, close the latch, and then I'll drag it through the hole, the crochet braid hole. And then now I'm going to drag the rest of my hair through that hole, and then I'll make a knot just like that. Now that I have my natural hair that I braided here, I'm going to go ahead and first add my needle to my braid. You start from the lower side of your braid here, and when you're doing this, add the needle in tiny bits. Like you see, I started from here, that's the length. I'll go ahead and add it in again and again. So this way, when you're going to hide your hair in the braid, it won't pop out and look bad. Just do it in tiny bits like I'm explaining here until the upper part. Now we are at the upper part here. It's going to pop out from somewhere here. Okay, now I'm going to grab this piece of my hair here. I'm going to add it to my crochet needle. I'll close the latch again, and then now I'm going to slowly drag it through my braid until it pops out from this other side, and just try to tighten it. And then now I'm going to go ahead and use my hand to smoothen it just like this to make it uniform. And then now, since I'm not done yet, you see my hair is still out here, I'm going to repeat the process again. Okay, I'll now add my braid in again to my needle. I'll close the latch. I'll drag it through slowly this time so I don't repeat that again. Okay, now smoothing it, and now that's how this looks. Looks good. So after some time, I'm now done installing all the braids on my hair. I have actually double checked each and every one of them if in case I missed any. I'm now going to go ahead and lay my edges, and as usual I'm going to be using my nice and lovely gel here. Now this is how my edges look. I'm going to go ahead and go in with some of my accessories. I have these usual ones here in gold and silver.